In this video, we'll explore one of the important parts of SCiNiTO, the search feature. You'll learn how to find research papers efficiently, explore detailed information about each document, and organize results for your projects. Once you're logged in, click on the Search tab at the top of the page to open SCiNiTO's main search area. In the search box, type a keyword or phrase related to your topic and press Enter to begin. Your results will appear as a list of document cards, each showing a quick overview of the paper. Each card includes key details such as the article title, source or journal name, authors, and abstract. To access full details, click See More. Here, you can view the author affiliations, the publisher's name, the DOI, digital object identifier, the language of publication, and the country of the listed institutions. You'll also find the article's related keywords and, if applicable, the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, it contributes to, shown at the bottom of the article card. Each record also displays the year of publication and document type, whether it's a journal article, dissertation, book, or book chapter. If the paper is open access, a small icon will indicate it. You can open the full-text PDF directly when available, or use the publisher link to visit the journal page. When an article appears in multiple repositories, SCiNiTO provides links to all of them for easy access. You can bookmark papers to save them for later review. Under More items, you can download the citation in different formats, like EndNote. You can also search the title in Google or add a personal note to keep comments or reminders for future use. You can also use the Explore This with AI feature shown on each article card. With one click, it generates a structured summary of the paper, including the background, key findings, and limitations. It's a quick way to understand the main ideas before deciding whether to read the full article. You can adjust how results are displayed using the Sort option. Sort by number of citations to see the most influential works first, or by year of publication to focus on the latest research. By default, results are sorted by relevance, showing the most closely related articles to your search query at the top. That's it for this tutorial on how to use the search feature in SCiNiTO. For more tips and walkthroughs, visit the Help Center section on the SCiNiTO website, where you'll find guides and resources to help make your research process smoother and more efficient.